everybody, welcome to the official Colorly Hustle YouTube channel. My name is Ajane and I am the owner of Colorly Hustle. As you can see by the title, this will be day one of our participation in Vlogmas. And this will be a fun little journey. So today, I'm just going to be explaining to you how my products are made. I know you guys probably are wondering what type of yarn I use and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to be talking about. So the yarn I use to crochet all my products is usually 100% acrylic or cotton. So we're gonna show you a couple of those. The majority of my products on my website are 100% acrylic. I use the same type of yarn pretty much for all of them. And it's called paint box yarn. So yeah. This is 100% acrylic. See if it will focus. Yep. Besides made with love and care, patience and time, just pretty much 100% acrylic. I can't find any more like these tags to show it's cotton, or they're pretty much literally all the same. Like I got a lot of these type of yarns. Now I'll show you guys how I use this yarn of me crocheting real quick. Okay, besides the yarn and the love, my products are made with, of course, crochet needles. You need crochet needles. I also know how to knit, and there are definitely going to be knit products coming up soon. I don't know why I have been procrastinating on getting some knitting needles. Knitting is my first love, so this is not nothing. I feel like it's more of a challenge. We'll get into that next time. But these are what all my products on my website. I don't really use these big ones. I just really use the small ones. I use sizes 3.75, 3.50 a lot of small ones. But yeah, if I had some like bigger yarn to make like covers and stuff, I'll be using these bigger needles. So that's just a little bit about how I make my products, a little bit about me, just a teensy bit. But if you want to find out a little bit more about Colorly Hustle, you can go and watch our first video we posted. That just gives you a little intro about my business and why I started, and it gives you a tutorial of my website. It's all of that in there. So go ahead and watch that for more information. But as for today, thank you so much for tuning in. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you guys think about how I make my product. If you crochet, what yarn do you like to use? Because that's the learning process. It's a lot trying to, try out different yarns and stuff. I usually just stick with what I'm comfortable with, but I also need to step out my comfort zone as well, because everybody might not like the same stuff. I just want it to be stuff for everybody eventually. So this will be the end of this video. Hit that like button if you like this type of content, and hit that subscribe button if you are interested in Colorly Hustle and you would like to stay updated on what we have going on, our sales, discounts, and all of that. I'll be making another video tomorrow, of course. Just don't forget to go ahead and visit our website, and you'll pretty much see we have free shipping when you spend over $50. Once you spend $20, you get 10% off, and that's using the code hustlecraz. All the codes and everything will be linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is Vlogmas day number 1. Happy holidays, everybody. Bye.